Hello traders. As I said, I will try to make more often analysis both in written and video format. As you know or don't know, okay, if you don't know, I will put in a pinned comment the link for the Telegram channel. I do daily written analysis, so join the Telegram channel for daily written analysis on gold and also for Forex and updates. But I will try to make also video analysis more often to give more explanation. So that's it with this introduction. Let's go to business. As you may have noticed, I'm strongly bullish gold, and the reason for this is, as we can see, this is a new weekly chart. After this false break under this support, gold reversed strongly, and we have this first leg up is around 3,500 pips. We also have this very important break of above this resistance at the beginning of the year. We have this high. We can see that gold dropped and corrected exactly in this zone. After this correction, we have this bullish engulfing that suggests us that correction is over, followed by this weekly pin bar, a very strong up move, a new high, again correction, and as we can see, we have here a confirmation of this level as new support. Last week is also a very good rising week, although it's not a bullish engulfing, and yesterday and this week we can see that gold is flirting with this 2000 figure. Let's go to a smaller time frame, 4 hours, let's say. So as I said in yesterday's analysis, I expect this level to offer support, and traders should look for opportunities to buy in this level. Let's go even to 1 hour chart. And as we can see, after gold dropped to this level, started to rise, and now is facing a level of resistance, as we can see here, and also a horizontal resistance, so it's a confluence resistance in this level. So for confirmation that this correction is over, we need a break back above 2000 and yesterday's high, and in this case we can expect a rise, and as for first target we can choose the last high at 2030. What I want to show you, because as I said, I'm very strongly bullish gold. Let's take this from the chart. So what I want to show you is, if we see on this weekly chart, as I said in the beginning, we have 3,500 or 400 pips for this first leg up. Considering that the next leg up should have at least this distance, so 3,500 pips, we can calculate, and it gives us 2,150, so a new all-time high. And as I said, in many analyses in the past months or so, I expect a new all-time high from gold. So those of you that want to trade on a longer time frame can wait for this 2050. On the shorter time frame, as I said, also on short term, we have a bullish tendency. We can consider this drop as a flag, and for confirmation, gold needs to pass above 2002. That's it for today's analysis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.